Hi, in this lesson, we want to take a look at an example on ratios and percentages. In a classroom, the ratio of boys to girls is 2 to 3. If 40% of the boys play sports and 30% of the girls play sports, find the percentage of students in the class who play sports. So firstly, what we want to do is find the number of students that we're working with. So for boys, since it's a ratio of 2 to 3, we aren't sure. It doesn't mean that there are 2 boys and 3 girls, but the ratio of their quantities will be 2 to 3, which means they could be 4 to 6 or even 40 boys and 60 girls. We don't know how many kids there are in this class, but we know their ratio is 2 to 3. So we can express that as a multiple. We can say for boys that would be 2x, and for girls that would be 3x. So the total number of students will be 2x plus 3x, which gives us a total of 5x. Then the second part, we want to calculate the number of boys and girls that play sports. So if we want the boys plus sports, so boys that play sports, we will say 0.4, since we are told that 40% of the boys play sports. So that would be 0.4 of the total number of boys in the class, which is 2x. So 0.4, and we converted 40% into a decimal by dividing by 100. So 0.4 multiplied by 2x. This gives us 0.8x. And then we look at the girls who play sports. It is said that 30%, so 0.3 of the girls play sports. And how many girls are there? There are 3x girls. So this gives us a total of 0.9x. So how many students play sports in total? Well, since we know that there are 2x and 3x boys and girls in total, only 0.8x of the 2x of the boys play sports, and only 0.9x of the 3x of girls play sports. Therefore, the total would be 0.8x plus 0.9x, which gives us 1.7x of students that play sports. Now, if you want to express this as a percentage, find the percentage of students in the class who play sports. So in the total class, we want only the students that play sports, and then there is the students that don't play sports. But the total number of students is made up of the students who play sports and who don't play sports, and we say that total is 5x. Then the total of students that play sports, so these ones plus sports, is 1.7x. So what percentage of the total number of students is this? So the percentage will be equal to the students that are playing sports, which is 1.7x, over the total number of students, which is 5x, multiplied by 100. The x and the x cancel, and we're left with 1.7 over 5 multiplied by 100, which turns into 1,700 over 5. So let's see what that is gonna be. 1.7 times 100, that's not 1,700 but 170, divided by 5. That would give us 34 students. So 34 or not 34 students, but 34% of the students are playing sports. So that would be our answer.